I'm Céline Baguelin. I'm a microbiologist, and for 5 years now I'm working with the French company Enoveo. There I'm involved in the project about biodegradation of several compounds and their metabolites within the frame of project of soil and sites polluted and their remediation. In the frame of the Love to Red project, I was first seconded to the INRA in Dijon in France for 8 months, where I was in charge of the evaluation of the impact of pesticides on soil microbial diversity using molecular biology tools. Then I've been seconded to the University of Thessaly in Larissa in Greece, and I was in charge of the setup of an additional experiment in order to assess what could be the impact of soil properties on the impact of pesticide on soil microbial communities.
Okay, so how about the ecotox impact of pesticides on the abundance, diversity and function of soil microbes?
Soil is a reservoir of a huge microbial diversity. As we can read in scientific literature and databases, bacteria are estimated to be 1 billion in 1 million of species within 1 gram of pristine soil. So these microorganisms can exhibit an unexpected wide range of function and control major steps of biogeochemical cycles. That's why the introduction of xenobiotic compounds can potentially affect the soil microbial organisms, and this could have deleterious effects on ecosystem functioning. Within the last decades of the 20th century, agricultural practices evolved, and the use of pesticide compounds in order to increase production rates became widespread. That's why within the frame of the Love to Aid project, Marie Curie-funded Love to Aid project, we try to develop methods, tools and guidelines on how to assess in a comprehensive and robust way the potential toxicity of pesticides onto soil microbes.
Okay, and how do you intend to achieve that?
To achieve this, we use 3 model pesticides, and we assess their ecotoxicological impact on soil microorganisms using a wide range of advanced methods measuring functional and structural endpoints. The 3 pesticides we selected as model were a phenylurea herbicide, which is isoproteurant, a triazole fungicide, which is tebuconazole, and an organophosphate insecticide, which is chlorpyrifos. Basically, the assays we employed compare microbial measurements in an untreated condition in comparison with a treated condition where increasing dose rates of 2D pesticide are applied. We usually study the impact of pesticide on soil microorganisms in various ways and follow through time their abundance, their diversity and their function.
So do you actually see any effects for the pesticide studied?
Main effects on soil microbial abundance I've seen mostly by the fungicide tebuconazole, while the insecticide chlorpyrifos and the herbicide isoproteurant had only mild or no effect respectively. However, no clear dose-dependent effects of any pesticides tested were evident.
Okay, so from the literature and from what you've seen with your experiments, which group of organisms you think that they are the most sensitive ones to focus on?
We follow 11 microbial groups, and actually what we observed is that depending on the pesticide considered, different groups of microorganisms could be affected, and in the present study we could not find a single bacteria which is sensitive to all the 3 pesticides selected. However, our finding and also literature findings suggest that ammonia oxidizing bacteria, which control the rate limiting step of nitrogen cycling in soil, are the most sensitive and the most responsive functional group of microorganisms and could be used as biomarkers of toxicity of pesticides to soil microbes.
So finally, what do you think is the practical importance of this work that you are doing?
Our findings are particularly important and could form the basis for revisiting the risk assessment procedure which is currently in place and of course assess the soil microbial toxicity of pesticides. But within this large lab-to-field scale study, we focused on 3 pesticides in only one soil. So the question is, what about the impact of soil properties on the impact of pesticides on soil microorganisms? We can say that this is the next chapter of the Love to Hate project.
Okay.